Now we're going to learn the letter H. The sound it makes is H. What things start with the sound H? Let's see. Horse. Horse. Hammer. Hammer. Harp. Harp. This is something that you can play with. Harp is something that you can play with. Oh, it's cute. Do you know what shape this one is? Heart. Heart. Wow, look at this. Oh, somebody lost her hair. Yes, this is her hair. Her hair. And what animal is this one? Hippo. Hippo. I'm gonna put it here. Now, let's play guessing games. Which one is hammer? Hammer. Hammer? Oh! Where is hammer? Oh, I know! Hammer. Hammer. And where is the horse? Horse? Yes, you're right. It's a horse. Harp. Harp. Ah, here it is. This is the harp. Harp. Good job. What else? Ah, and where is the hair? Here it is. Yes, it's the hair. And is it a circle? No. What shape is this one? Heart. Heart. Good job. Now, you can play it by yourself, okay? Goodbye.